This right here is one of the biggest causes of coating failure after galvanizing. This is anti-spatter. It's used during welding to stop spatter sticking. Before galvanizing, the steel goes through an acid bath to clean the surface. During welding, the heat burns the anti-spatter into the steel surface. This can't be removed by the degreaser or acid in the galvanizing process. So when it goes into the molten zinc, the coating can't bond to those areas. This is the result: bare patches exactly where the anti-spatter was applied. Same weld, completely different outcome. The fix is simple: avoid using anti-spatter if the steel will be galvanized. Once it's burnt into the surface, it can only be removed by sandblasting. If you are unsure, just ask us first.